Finally, my dream is coming. I finally have the chance to get the belt. Okay. I finally have 10 skin cases. 10 skin tickets. I'm gonna get the skin case 3. Hopefully, I can get like the Bally Song or the Event Horizon, or the Tommy Gun, or like maybe like the Fist of Her. That's my favorite ones. Or the Air Horn, Steel Blur, Katana. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Zeno! I'm gonna buy a skin case. Come. So I'm gonna buy a skin case. 3, 2, 1. What do you get? Oh, hell no. I just bought a skin case. Oh, hell no. I actually bought a skin case. Oh. Guys, this is my favorite. Okay, this is my chance. 3, 2, 1. Mega Drill. I'll take it. I didn't get a Bally Song, but like, it's okay. Wait, where's the? Oh wait, I forgot to equip it. Wait, I got the Mega Drill. Wait. 3, 2, a skin. Yo, that's insane. That looks so cool. Yeah. Okay. Equip it. Oh, look at the chainsaw. Oh, hell no.
Is that chainsaw?
Oh, look at that. Oh. That looks so cool. Having this skin case. Yo. I actually bought it. And that's insane, guys. I actually got it. Alright, guys. Yeah. I got it. So I can buy that one. I can't spend more Robux to get that. Okay. I got the Mega Drill. That's insane, guys. Yo, guys. So I'm gonna test it. I tested it in the what was it? I tested it in the shooting range. Now let's test it in the duels. So let's go to wait. Okay, let's go. That's insane. Okay, I'm gonna equip the chainsaw because I guys. Are you scared opening a skin case sometimes? Because look at the chainsaw. Okay.
Chainsaw.
Are you scared of opening a skin case? Because sometimes when you open a skin case, it just gives you some. It gives you a skin case It gives you a skin case to some. It gives a skin to a weapon that you don't even use. Like I used for my secondary. I used the flare gun. I don't even use the flare gun because I already bought a new thing, daggers. And then now, if I get something for the flare gun, for a skin case for the flare gun, if I get something for the flare gun, I'm not gonna use it because Okay, anyways, I wish I got the Daddy Song. That was my chance, bro. It's okay. Here we go. 3. Wait, okay, there you go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna eliminate. Okay, my favorite skin here. Okay. Where's this guy? Okay.
I hate chainsaws.
Loki actually hates chainsaw, bro. I don't even use chainsaw. I will use it now because like it's really good for like doing this.
Bro, chainsaw.
Bro just called chainsaw the chainsaw. Chainsaw. That was so good before dying, bro. Okay.
The chainsaw.
Well, stop saying chainsaw. It's chainsaw.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna wait here till he shoots him. I don't know. If I win, then I would win. I mean,
The bird.
oh! Okay, that was actually a big fly.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god. You know.
Bro, I wish I got the Bally song, bro. I mean, I'm getting the Bally song in real life, I mean. Bro, I wish I got the first of her or the Bally song. But anyways, oh, let's go, let's go. Look, I'm flying over there. I actually got the chains. I got the Mega Drill. At least, come on, bruh. I mean, it's not really good, but like, I mean, I'll take it. Die, 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 die. Let's go, let's go. Where's he at, bro? Where's he at? Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
So I have Gucci.
I don't care. No?
Let me buy something else in the rivals. But then it's not everywhere. No, Roblox is the best.
No, no.
Roblox is the best.
I know. Now?
But
Okay, let me uncurve that.
you go this way.
Yo, look at that guy. That looks so good. The chainsaw. I mean, it doesn't look good, but like, I'll take it still. Oh, pirate. Okay, I'll take. Okay, I like that. I like it without it. So, guys, I can't believe I actually got it. All right, guys. Bye, bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye, bye, guys.